Hello, YouTube creators. Today, I'm going to show you how to create fantastic subtitles for your YouTube shorts using an incredible AI tool called Submagic. Click on the first link in the description to visit the Submagic website. Once you're there, click on the login button, and you can use any of your email addresses to log in. After completing this step, you'll see a blank area where you can upload your video. Go ahead and click here to upload the video for which you'd like to generate subtitles. For this demonstration, I'm selecting a random video. As you can see, the video is being uploaded. Once it's uploaded, Submagic will automatically generate subtitles for your video. Let me play the video to show you how amazing the captions look.
Alex told me that he did a route once and on his way up realized that he hadn't brought any chalk.
Whew.
So
Yeah.
he had to borrow it from someone else
Yeah.
who was strapped to ropes.
If you happen to find any mistakes in the captions, you can click here to edit them. You can even add emojis to make your subtitles more engaging. If you'd like to further customize the text, click on the Design tab, where you'll find multiple options to enhance the appearance of your subtitles. Submagic can also generate a video description for you automatically. Simply click on Description to use it. Now that our video is complete, it's time to export it. Submagic is a paid service, but I've got a fantastic discount for you. On the payment page, make sure to select the yearly plan because it offers a 20% discount over the monthly plan. You have two options, Basic and Pro. With the Basic plan, you can generate subtitles for up to 20 videos per month, but with the Pro plan, you can generate subtitles for an unlimited number of videos. I highly recommend going for the Pro plan to get the most out of Submagic. Click on Pay Now. On the payment page, you'll see an option to add a promotion code. Enter the code WBExplainer and click on Apply. You'll receive an extra 10% discount, which translates to saving $48. This is equivalent to 3 months of the Basic plan or 1 month of the Pro plan. Now that you've received a total discount of 30%, go ahead and enter the remaining details to proceed with the payment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching.